Innovative teaching method for visual learners, step-by-step guide. Visual learners grasp concepts best through images, diagrams, and spatial understanding. Here's a step-by-step approach to maximize their learning potential. Step 1. Create a visually stimulating environment. Use vibrant colors and visual aids like posters, charts, and bulletin boards. Ensure the classroom or study area is well lit and organized with minimal distractions. Step 2. Incorporate visual aids. Use infographics, diagrams, and charts to explain complex concepts. Introduce mind maps to help students connect ideas visually. Utilize flashcards for quick review and memorization. Step 3. Integrate multimedia tools. Leverage videos, animations, and presentations to reinforce learning. Use apps and software that provide visual simulations and interactive content. Step 4. Encourage note-taking with visual elements. Teach students to highlight key points and use symbols or drawings in their notes. Introduce the Cornell method of note-taking with a focus on visual organization. Step 5. Assign creative projects. Encourage students to create posters, collages, or storyboards on the topic they are learning. Provide opportunities for students to use tools like Canva or drawing apps to present their understanding visually. Step 6. Use demonstrations and models. Conduct live demonstrations or use 3D models to explain practical topics. Utilize virtual reality, VR, or augmented reality, AR tools for immersive visual experiences. Step 7. Implement visual schedules and timelines. Use calendars, visual planners, or Gantt charts to teach time management and sequencing. Break down tasks into smaller steps and represent them visually for clarity. Step 8. Promote collaborative visual activities. Organize group activities that involve creating visuals, like designing a classroom mural or group diagram. Encourage students to work together on visual storytelling or presentations. Step 9. Introduce visualization techniques. Guide students in creating mental images of concepts they are learning. Teach techniques like visualizing scenarios, problems, or historical events to enhance understanding. Step 10. Provide visual feedback. Use annotated diagrams or highlight areas for improvement visually in assignments. Offer feedback through visual examples and comparisons for clarity. By following these steps, educators can ensure that visual learners not only grasp information effectively, but also enjoy and engage deeply with the learning process.